Reduce hard water mineral buildup in toilets by combining household water softening with a disciplined routine of targeted cleaning and simple chemical treatments. Start by installing a whole house water softener that uses ion exchange to replace calcium and magnesium with sodium or potassium. This reduces new scale formation at the source and is the single most effective long-term measure. If a softener is not feasible right away, flush the toilet once a week with a cup of white distilled vinegar poured directly into the bowl and let it sit for at least 1 hour to dissolve fresh mineral films. Every 2 to 3 months, remove the tank lid and pour a half cup of household bleach into the overflow tube so the diluted solution circulates into the bowl during a flush. This keeps organic residue from binding minerals and helps maintain jet and rim openings. For stubborn deposits, use a long flexible toilet brush or a plastic bristle jet cleaner to scrub rim holes and the siphon jet beneath the bowl. Focus on mechanical removal after applying vinegar so the softened deposits come away without aggressive scraping. Periodically inspect the tank components and the refill tube for calcium crusts, and replace small parts like the refill tube or flapper if deposits interfere with function. Inexpensive replacements often restore full performance quicker than prolonged cleaning. Keep a calendar reminder to perform these tasks so prevention becomes routine and you avoid the more laborious, deep descaling that follows years of neglect. 3 common mistakes are relying only on periodic bowl brushing, which misses rim jets and tank components, using harsh metal tools that can scratch porcelain or damage seals, and waiting until flush performance is noticeably degraded before acting. To address the first, always lift the tank lid and treat the overflow tube and jets as part of your cleaning cycle so circulation points stay clear. For the second, use plastic brushes or nylon bristle jet cleaners and avoid metal scrapers, which can create microscopic pits where minerals reattach. For the third, set a maintenance schedule now and stick to it so small buildups are dissolved or removed before they cause slow flushes or forced part replacements. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with project-ready leads. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange practical maintenance tips and recommendations related to preventive plumbing maintenance.